Hey everyone, this is the Zoom H1n portable audio recorder, and currently you are listening to the sounds recorded from this device. So you can get an idea of the sound quality from this entire video. The most beautiful thing I love about this recorder is that I can use it with almost all the devices I have. Now I'm going to show you how you can use it as an audio recorder and also use it with your computer and camera. Just insert your SD card into this slot and insert two AAA batteries here. And now this device is ready to use. Just press the record button and talk straight into the microphone. This is how you can record audios using this recorder. You can connect this device with your computer using this USB port. Now you can transfer your recorded audio files, or you can also record directly into your computer. To connect it with your camera, use a male-to-male audio cable like this. Plug one side of this cable into the audio output of this device, and the other side of this cable into your camera's audio port. I'm using this device to record the sound of most of my videos. I definitely recommend this recorder for its professional and clean audio. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.